When I think back of high school and grade school, I don't really remember the homework that I did, the tests that I took. I don't remember that aspect. I do remember the projects that I did. I think those were always more challenging, but they were also more fun. So if you have more engineering-based projects that you can do with the kids, I think that may encourage them. Something as simple as, taking a product that they see every day and saying, how can you redesign this? What is good and bad about this product? What can you do to improve it? Even taking an approach like that, I think, is really going to help them understand there's a lot of fun things I can do with engineering, and it's not just sitting by myself in a corner. It's a team-based, project-based career.
If you were to take, for example, a simple one that I often use with students would be to look at an advanced material and say, hey, this material can bend in 2 or 3 different directions if you simulate it with heat, as an example. And those materials exist, we use them. So with that in mind, what could we build out of this and allow the kids to have some imagination around it, and then send them off on some project where they would look at that application in more detail and maybe talk to an engineer about that.
I think in engineering you have a lot of options that may appeal to women. Developing different products that can help someone, there's a lot of different options that they can actually give back to the community and feel good about what they're doing. I think what teachers can do to motivate students to go into engineering, particularly girls, is explain that it's not necessarily, I think when I was growing up I thought of an engineer, I thought of what my dad did, which was work in a factory designing boilers and things, and that's really was not interesting to me at all. But there's a lot of different career choices out there, such as research, developing medical devices, or developing things that maybe can help people. They don't have to just work in a factory environment. They can work in a research environment. They could be developing new consumer products. They can be working with customers, trying to figure out what that customer needs. There's a lot of different things. It doesn't have to be in the traditional sense of an engineer. There's a lot of opportunities in Ohio for engineering. There's a lot of great schools.
Within Southwest Ohio, we have a number of colleges that focus on the technologies and science and engineering. I went to the University of Dayton, which was a great experience there, but other schools that have great engineering programs are Wright State University, Cedarville University. I know Central State has an engineering technology program. And then to complement that, we have a number of other different types of colleges. We've got Sinclair Community College. There are just myriad, technical schools that are in the area. You'll find folks within the company that I work at from all those different places and beyond. So really within Southwest Ohio, whatever your bent is within the technology profession, you'll be able to find a higher education opportunity for that.